Yeah, hi YouTube. I just wanted to make a quick video on how exactly to remove the airbag for a E46 M3 or E46 facelifted sport steering wheel style. So these would be the ones that have the smaller round airbag and kind of the sporty looking ones. So there's videos on YouTube on how to do this, but I feel like there's a couple things now that I've done it that I just want to point out that'll make it a little bit easier for everyone, because you do have to have the screwdriver in the right angle. So the first thing is, I have a screwdriver about this size, about medium size screwdriver, and you want to have it at a horizontal position. And thing I learned is not just a horizontal position, but also pointed slightly downward and even a little bit towards you. And I'm going to demonstrate that right now. But before I do that, you see here, you can see the tension spring. You're trying to find this further out one I'm pointing to and push against it, and then that'll release that side of the airbag. And both sides are identical. So first thing you want to do is find the access point on the side of the steering wheel, which is right there. And then you'll see right here, you can see the screwdriver coming in. And you want to stay horizontal. Now this is what I was doing wrong. You see the angle that the screwdriver is at? If I push right now, it does absolutely nothing. It does nothing. I was doing that for a long time. I couldn't find anything. But you see, if I slightly angle it downward just a little bit and then push, then it does what it's supposed to do. So that's just all I wanted to point out. And the other thing I wanted to point out is it's probably a good idea to kind of, once you get the screwdriver in there, to slightly point it very, very slightly at an angle that's towards you. And what this will do is it'll allow this plate here to kind of guide the screwdriver into the right position. That way you don't jump off the spring accidentally. Because for instance, if I pushed and I had the screwdriver pointing away from me a little bit as I pushed, it might want to jump off the spring. So that's all I wanted to point out. Just, it's actually really easy to see how it works once you have the airbag out. But again, this angle, it does nothing. I slightly angle it downward and it easily releases. So I just wanted to do that for anyone else who's doing the same thing I'm doing and removing this steering wheel airbag. It just makes it a lot easier, and as I said, some of the other videos didn't really get into great detail as to what angle you want the screwdriver at. So that's all I have, and I hope that's helpful for everyone. Bye.